Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if app crashing on H70 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click on hold volume up button and power button at the time. You will see restart device from here. After you click on restart, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down, and click on settings. Now in setting and scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset all setting. After click on reset device setting, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app and search software and click on software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix app crashing on H70 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.